Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first video of 2020. I hope you had a lovely Christmas, New Year and are ready to go with new inspiration for the new year. So I thought I would start my year with an ALDI haul. I'm filming this actually at the end of December, so I have time to edit it and get everything organized for you, but I thought I would film an ALDI haul. I just went to ALDI. I got a huge haul of bits from ALDI and it was only €28, so I thought I'd show you everything I got. And for this year, things are going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a bit of keto content, but mostly just what my family eat. My family aren't keto. I kind of go on and off keto, and so I just kind of try and have a whole foods-ish, wholesome-ish diet without feeling guilty, without trying to be strict, and without doing anything that is like a fad or anything that will just, yeah, deprive myself of anything, if that makes sense. So I thought I'd share what I bought, and I'll be sharing meals that are just a whole range of just wholesome, good food, home cooked, easy meals. That's what you can expect in 2020. So if that interests you, I really encourage you to subscribe to the channel, comment, let me know what kind of content you want in 2020, and leave a like on my video too. Your interaction means so much to me. So let me show you what I got from ALDI today. So this is the whole haul, and the whole haul cost €28, and will it focus eventually, 73 cents for all of these goodies. Now I shop at a few different supermarkets. These are my essentials from ALDI, and then in Ireland here there's a supermarket called Duns, which I get all of my meat, chicken, eggs and other bits from. I might film a haul. I've never really done a Duns haul of all of the goodies I get from there. Let me know if you want to see a Duns Ireland haul. I also shop at Tesco. Probably once a month I go to Tesco and get bits, but once a week I go to ALDI, and this is everything I get. So let me talk you through it. We'll start up at the top over here. And almond milk. I have found that dairy milk, like proper full cream milk, doesn't tend to agree with me, but I do still have dairy in other forms, as you'll see. So I tend to go for almond milk. I have oat milk, coconut milk, whatever I really get my hands on, and ALDI has an unsweetened almond, so that's what I tend to have. I usually have milk. I don't just drink milk. I don't really have cereal. Milk I'll either have in a hot chocolate, or I've actually been having loads of chocolate oatmeal lately. I'll have chocolate oatmeal or chocolate quinoa for breakfast. I kind of rotate through them, and that is what I have my almond milk in. And cocoa powder at ALDI, it's so cheap, so I got 2 of them. How much was this cocoa powder? It's even been on special as well. The cocoa powder was €1.79, so I got 2 of them over there. I'm just checking on my receipt, everything. I can't remember the prices. €1.99 for chia seeds, and I tend to make chia jam every single week. I make a jar of chia jam. I've shared a few different variations in the past, and I just go through chia seeds that way. And Greek yogurt. I actually got a cookbook over Christmas, a Irish country woman's cookbook, and it's got a recipe for a bread that has a whole tub of yogurt, 500-gram tub of yogurt. So I got that, and I'm gonna check what the recipe's like, and if it's nice I will make it again and film it for you. So I've got that to give a try. We've got cashews. My kids love having cashews as a snack, and they're quite cheap at ALDI, so I always grab a bag of cashews. And cream. I usually put cream in my hot chocolate. Sometimes I'll put a bit in my oatmeal as well. I have creams so often. I've been making omelets, scrambled eggs heaps lately, and so that's what the cream is in. This was a new purchase. I hadn't seen this before. I've seen the brand Sweet Freedom. I got this kind of more for my kids. It's not focusing. It's a chocolate spread, and the ingredients in it are just pretty wholesome. Again, it's not focusing, so I will read their natural fruit extracts, which is carob and apple, water, cocoa, natural flavor, rapeseed oil, and sunflower. So I thought we'd give that a try and see what it's like for my kids. Maybe they'll have it on top of waffles or pancakes or something like that, or mixed through oatmeal. I've been having so much oatmeal lately. I know this channel in the past has all been about low carb and keto, but I've been experimenting with different types of diet, and I feel so good having oatmeal, and I've been continuing to lose weight and continuing to feel amazing. So I've been having, yeah, oatmeal and eggs. I've been alternating every other day, so yeah, that would be nice. And I got these more so for my kids. They quite like them. They're brioche buns. They're already sliced. We don't really have, I don't usually buy bread. I've been making bread lately, but for the kids, if I'm stuck for a meal, I will just pop something on a brioche bun for them, and from Aldi they're €1 for these, so that's a few days worth of brioche bun meals for them. And bananas, I know, and not low carb, no, not keto, but bananas. I've been having probably one every day or every other day. Again, in oatmeal, I'll have a chopped banana in the morning, and it all just agrees with me, and I really enjoy it. And my kids love bananas too, and they're organic, fair trade ones from Aldi, so yeah. And the dark chocolate from Aldi, I make hot chocolates with it. I use it in cooking. I love this dark chocolate. And I think, did I forget the cucumber back there? I'm kind of going all over the place. Cucumber, the kids just love cucumber, and I get that from Aldi. And mushrooms, I tend to just look and see which is the best value per kilo, per 100 grams, and it was this one, so we got some mushrooms. And really what I go to Aldi for is coconut oil. I tend to go through a jar every week or so, and as soon as it starts to run out, I go and get another one. I probably could stock up and buy a few of them, but all of these goodies I tend to get every week and need them every week or so. So each week when I need coconut oil, which is at Aldi €2.99 for my jar of coconut oil, so I'm very happy getting that. And I got 3 lots of cream cheese. I'm going to make my cheesecake. I've shared it a couple of times on the blog before, on channel. I'll leave a link down below for my cheesecake recipe. 3 of these from Aldi, and I've got a cheesecake. And the cream cheese is only 59 cents per little block, so for a bit over €1.50 I'm going to be able to make a really yum cheesecake. And these are the strawberries I get to make my jam. They're €1.49 from Aldi, so I cook this together with my chia seeds, and I've got jam that my boys love, and we go through probably a jar of it a week. So I go and get my frozen strawberries and my coconut oil, and we're all good. And dark chocolate chips I got for making. I've been making cookies, and I've actually also been making a chocolate loaf, which I am going to film in the next few days to share the recipe with you, so hopefully it'll come out soon too. But I've been making this really yum chocolate loaf, which is gluten free. It's got coconut flour in it and chocolate chips, and it is so yum, and the kids love it, so I'm going to make that again and film it for you. And lentils as well. I've been having lentils. I've been making a really nice soup, actually. It's almost like a soupy stew with lentils, parsnip and carrot as well, and just cook them all together, and it just makes, it's the middle of winter in Ireland, so that's kind of been the perfect meal. Really wholesome, hearty meal. It's just so perfect. So yeah, we've got red split lentils, parsnips. I've also been making parsnip mash, just boiling up parsnip with garlic and mashing it together with some cream, and it's just been the perfect side to have with meals over this cold period. And carrots, my kids actually just, I love topping and tailing, and they'll just eat a whole carrot, or again I'll pop it into soup, or I made an Irish stew the other day with carrots, and that's just perfect. But yeah, that is my haul from Aldi, with very different meals coming your way in 2020. So I'm curious to hear your feedback on what you want to see from me on this channel. I do have a couple of other channels which I've started over the last few months. I'll leave links to them down below. I've got just keto only channel, so when I do have keto inspiration, there's just not enough time to kind of put it all together on this channel. I've got a keto channel. I've got a budget channel only because I do love my budget meals, so I started a budget channel. And I've also got a travel one because since moving to Ireland we have traveled all over the place, and I like to kind of segment my life out that way. So on Yummy Inspirations you can just expect super yummy meals when I'm just feeling creative and have all kinds of inspiration to share. That is going to be the home of it. And then we've got all the other segments. I will leave links to everything down below, so check it out, see what you're interested in. But thank you so much for watching my first video of the year. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Yep, let me know what you want to see this year from me. And again, Happy New Year, and we will see you again soon. Bye.